Okay, I think this is video number 3 or 4, whatever. So I have removed the water pump. Whenever you're fixing to do the timing belt, usually it's a good time to replace the water pump, because the timing belt is gonna run on this pulley. It goes around this, and it goes to the camshaft on the left and the camshaft on the right. So just make sure that all your bolts are the same gaps all the way around, so that way you know you're gonna have a perfect fitting. These 3 right here in the center, believe it or not, that's where the engine mount bracket goes. Crazy, huh? But yeah, you have to remove the engine mount. Let me need you guys closer. So, all right, so right here is where the engine mount goes inside that housing underneath that L plastic piece. That plastic piece is for the electrical harness, so I don't know why they attach it to the engine mount, but the engine mount actually goes on that big hole right there, right underneath that one. Let me see if I can get you guys a closer look. Yeah, those big holes, that's where the engine mount actually goes into. Crazy, huh? And that one down below, let me see if I can focus that one. That's another engine mount bracket. So you do have to remove the engine mount. Sorry. So I didn't think I was gonna need it to remove it, but yeah, it does have to come out, because it mounts right there. I'll show you guys later on the other video, so you guys can follow up.